So what we're gonna do is we've got to put the server that we borrowed
back together.
back together, and David and Siwa can do it so they can try and memorize how to make the computer. So this is gonna be interesting because there's a lot to this server.
We don't know.
And I can't believe that it didn't fit the graphics card on the motherboard. Oh, it would have been so good if it fit.
Right, so which way? That way.
Okay, so David and Siwa are about to start. They're going to see if they can complete it within
Lift the bottom thing up.
30 minutes. So
Down one.
we'll start the time
Beautiful. Thank you.
now.
Oh! So
Motherboard needs to go in here. These metal things are the standoffs.
Yeah, so it has a connector, right?
So the holes have to go over the top.
Okay.
It's got to be the four, isn't it?
There's 9.
9, oh yeah.
Alright.
So the IO needs to come out through this
Oh,
one.
like these ones, eh?
Yeah.
Those holes, yeah?
But these connections here have to come out through this one.
Oh, yeah.
So that's the orientation.
Yeah.
So you can pick that up
I
and
get
put
you.
it in.
Yeah.
So it's that way, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I know it's facing the back.
Yeah.
Alright.
It's alright. It's alright. Was the holes lined up?
Yeah, that's lined up. 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 That's lined up.
Alright. Screw time.
Screw time.
Oh, it plugs up there.
Goes up there.
Yeah.
Right, okay.
Yeah, I know which one's facing. It's like, hang on.
Hang on.
Just do the top first.
Alright. Is that right?
Yeah.
I know,
Just
I can't
move
see.
up.
Let me know, do you want me to move it up?
Yeah, move up.
There? Up here, more?
Hang on. 5 minutes. No, move go up.
Alright, so just an update on the 30-minute progress. So they're 10.5-ish minutes in.
Oh, Daniel, don't press
They've got the motherboard in. They're just doing the power supply.
Come on.
So 4 out of the 7 different types of things. 2 out of the 7 different types of things.
Yeah.
I've got the bottom part.
Getting there.
Okay, I can feel it moving.
I've got to get the... Daniel, can you press that?
Is that right?
Yep. And the last one. Is that right?
It looks like it.
Put the fans.
Core
Fans are in here, right?
Yep. So one can do one fan and one can do the
Are they
other
full of
fan.
dust? Who knew building computers were actually quite fun?
It is, eh?
It's nice, it's like a little self-relaxing little thing.
But sometimes it can be frustrating.
Yeah. Alright, so plug that in.
Yeah. So this has to go into this one.
Oh, you mother beep.
But this one actually goes into the CD player.
What? What? Come on! Alright. Who thought of this?
What in the world?
Isn't the CD player supposed to have an actual play thing? The CD player, how is he going to access it?
This is the opens, David.
Oh, okay. Oh. Ah. You know what we should have done? What? We should have connected all this to the motherboard.
Nope.
And then put the motherboard in.
Nope.
And screw it in. Why? What's wrong with that?
Because then you're trying to manipulate the motherboard full of cords.
I don't think so, Danny. I think that's a plausible idea. I think it's doable. Because you connect everything up, right? And you put everything where it's supposed to go, and then you put the motherboard in. Done.
But your motherboard has to go in on an angle and slide down
Yeah.
because of your I/O.
Yeah.
So you can't do that if you've got cords and stuff sticking out of it already.
But when we look at it, all the cords are on this side. So the I/O is on that side. And you just
Yeah,
slide
because
it.
you've got to
Yeah, you
slide
can
it
slide
that
it
way.
on that way.
My computer's just fine.
No wonder they pay people to charge so much.
I got small, delicate hands, you know.
You can do the graphics card, which goes in the blue one, and the network switch goes in the white one.
The white
one, and
Oh,
then
yeah.
yours goes in the blue one. Because that's where the two blank spaces are.
Yeah.
You got two? So hang on. Okay, clear. Just push.
Yeah, hang on, just get the holes.
That's the easy part.
Hang on, see they got the holes connected? Yes. Okay. What the heck? Okay. Got it. Gotcha.
Alright.
Yeah,
Now
well good.
you screw it.
Is there any more?
It's not really the same screw, but it's the only screw that's left.
That should be fine. Easy peasy.
Alright. Now, you gotta plug it all in.
It's done.
Power.
What?
So,
You said we're done, that's it.
I thought so too.
that hides away there, that hides away there.
Oh, that mob.
That's the fan.
Alright.
It doesn't be connected, doesn't it?
Yeah, these all have to be connected as well. So, here's the fun part. See what? You've got these ones.
Yeah.
These are all keyed differently.
Right. So
With-
you have to like connect to.
You've got to find what spot of the pins they go on.
Oh yeah.
Sure.
Cool.
You need to work out where they go on the motherboards. So the big one's easy.
The big one go on the big one. Well, that looks like it goes there from the looks of it. It's the only big one. And the clip.
So you got to look at the way that they're squared
Yeah,
up.
and the white one too.
Well, the white one's at like a blank spot, so...
Oh yeah, so it has to be connected, isn't
So,
it?
no. So where there's the white bit,
Yeah.
there'd have to be no pin.
Oh yeah.
Okay, done that one. Alright, cool. That was easy.
Okay.
Alright, so these are all connected to the hard drives.
Yep.
Hey, what the?
So,
Is it this one?
Which one you got?
This one. Is that one there?
oh, I put it the wrong way. Hang on, Sia.
No.
No. Oh, the blue one.
Yeah, okay, one down.
Which blue
Nah,
is
this
that?
one needs power, David.
Which blue is that one? That one is it?
What's that? This
Is
is
that-
nothing. This is hard drives.
Okay. No, that's the fan.
Oh,
See, there's
wow.
a fan here.
Is it this one then?
The blue ones.
Oh, hang on. No, down here in
There's
the
no fans, because the fan I plugged was that one.
Okay. No, this is a fan. This is the fan here.
Ah,
You gotta give it power.
right. Oh, I've got to give the fan power. Which means it's in...
That one's out.
Are you ready?
Nah.
It's in these cords. It's got to be these ones.
Oh, look at that. You even got that one plugged in, David.
Yeah.
Good job.
So that was nice and easy. So
Right.
that goes
Cool.
there.
Yeah, that's plugged in.
Anything else?
No.
What?
What?
Oh, no. Stupid CD.
Yeah, David, you can put this in.
Did you get it in?
Yep, got it.
Whoa.
Oh.
Alright, now the covers.
Alright, that goes first, isn't it?
No, that's this side.
Oh yeah.
You know how to do that?
Yeah, I remember.
These are the old school
I
ones.
took
You
it out.
slide across.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
That's with the arrows one you pull.
I remember doing it at work, people just looked at me weird though.
Yeah, I know, right? I know it's that way because they've got the screws.
Yep.
There you go. Stop it. Here we go. Hang on. That's not. There you go. Hey, where's the screws?
Hey? No screws for this one because it's got a clip.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
But there's screws
Okay.
for the back one, so flip it over. So you'll have to take out the thumb screws.
Yep. Okay. No.
Yeah, I remember them. Old school, eh? Yeah.
Oh, hang on. How? Okay.
Whew.
We did it.
We did it.
Okay. So done.
Yeah. Thank you.
Alright, food?
Food.
Okay guys, so it got late very quickly. We didn't really actually do much. We only got food and then we watched a movie.
We watched The Thinning with Logan Paul.
Yeah, the YouTube Red movie.
Yeah, it was weird. Sad.
Predictable.
That wasn't what I was gonna say.
But
Can see
yeah,
a lump
it got
on my
late.
forehead here.
So we didn't really do much else. But today was successful. So we'll see you next time.